everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today it's all about my skincare restock. What I restock time and time again and I love and use regularly. So as the title suggests, these are products that I've purchased multiple times and I always restock. Starting off with cleansing. I always restock the Hardie Moringa cleanser. I love this balm so much. It's pricey, but if you're clever, you can get it on a discount on different sites. Just compare different beauty sites and see what codes they have, see what discounts they have. Are you a new shopper? You might get 15% off. So I always use a discount for this. I love this. It removes my makeup beautifully. I enjoy the smell of it, the way it feels. I enjoy the ritual of cleansing every evening. I look forward to cleansing with this. So this is an absolute restock for me. Next up is the face wash. This is the Ordinary. This is the second purchase of this. I really enjoy this. This is the Glucoside Foaming Cleanser. It's about £11 and it is so good. It's comparable to your high-end cleansers. It's replaced my SI Clinical. It's that good. I use it every day as my second cleanse and I use it in the morning as well as my first cleanse of the day. I love it. It's brilliant. If you've got oily skin like me, you feel like you need something that's a little bit foamy and wash off, and it leaves skin clear, smooth, and like it's exfoliated gently. It's very good. Gentle foaming facial cleanser. Brilliant. Highly recommend. Love that. Next up, I've got a mask and an exfoliator. The exfoliator is the Zein Skin Health. This is probably the third pot I've got of this. This is the exfoliating polish. It looks like this. This is like, you know, it is the GOAT of exfoliators because it is so fine, but it leaves your skin professionally exfoliated. I only use this twice a week and it just keeps my skin smooth. I've got quite textured, oily skin and I use other glycolics and I feel like I need to exfoliate in between at least once a week, get that deep clean. If you're wearing sunscreens and stuff like that, this really feels smooth. You feel a difference. I can't bear using something and I can still feel bits and pieces on my face. This is going to give you the smoothest skin of your life. It's incredible. I have always loved this. It's quite expensive, but you only need a small amount. And sometimes they do kits where you can get all different products so you can try everything for the price of practically one product. So that's always a good way to do it. I've had the mini version of this. I've had 2 of these before and I've always loved it. And I've gone back to it because it's the only thing that gives me a proper exfoliation and I feel like my skin is smooth. And you'll notice when you put your other products on how nicely they sink in. So you think to yourself, yes, I did need that deep exfoliation. So I highly recommend this. Another restock and repurchase is Skinceuticals Clarifying Clay Mask. This is probably the third tub I have of this. I absolutely love this. Again, I use this probably twice a week. It's beautiful. It just keeps skin smooth if you're having a spotty day or you've been sweating and sunscreen and heat and all of that. It just helps clear out the pores, smooth the skin, exfoliate. I do it on a Sunday night and my skin's lovely and smooth Monday morning. Really love this. Keeping in with the Skinceuticals, I've got the Skinceuticals Daily Moisture. Lightweight, pore minimizing moisturizer for normal to oily skin. I love this. Again, this is a third jar for me. I mean, for me to go through a jar of face cream is like incredible. I use this at night. So I don't use a moisturizer during the day. I just use a serum and a sunscreen. But I love this at night. So in between the nights when I'm using a glycolic exfoliating toner, I will use that the night after when I'm not using any exfoliants, and it just helps hydrate my skin, moisturize, but it just doesn't feel claggy or clogging. It's a beautiful moisturizer, again, if you've got oily skin. It hydrates, it nourishes, helps reduce the appearance of pore size. Optimal for combination or oily skin. Really, really good. I love this. And I get this when I can get it with money off, because it is pricey, but it's very good. And last but not least, again, this is probably my third tube. This is the Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen by Purito. I actually need to get another one because I can feel that it's running out. It's probably about here. I love this sunscreen. This is my moisturizer. So after I've applied my serum in the morning, I apply this. I can use it all around my eyes. It doesn't sting my eyes. It doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel like a sunscreen. It says, Daily Soft Touch is a silky, lightweight sunscreen formulated with 4 filters to deliver strong protection. Packed with 5 ceramides, this fast-absorbing matte sunscreen also moisturizes and strengthens the skin's barrier. So that's what I like about this. It's not just a sunscreen or a moisturizer. It actually helps to restore the barriers. So again, if you're exfoliating or using retinols or Tretinoi or stuff like that, this not only is going to protect your skin with the SPF, but it's going to help rebuild those barriers, rehydrate, moisturize, protect. It's amazing. I love it. So there we have it. In a nutshell, that is my skincare restock. I've purchased these products multiple times. They work for me. And when something works for me, I tend to stick to it until it doesn't. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below some of your skincare restocks, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.